How can you fix out of focus video on the iPhone? So let me show you some possible options or things we could actually do about it. So if you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, actually, it depends on how the video has been captured. If the video was captured with the cinematic mode, which heavily focuses on the subject and then it tries to blur out the background, then you can locate the video in the Photos app. You can specifically browse through the cinematic videos, and there you can click on the edit and literally tap on some other place to lock the focus or focus on a different place, right? So for example, I can click on the background and it will literally adjust the focus from my foreground or from the subject to the background, right? So it really makes, or it does a great job at focusing that way, right? So that is something you can definitely utilize. And also when you tap on the video option below, you can also adjust the aperture, technically. So you can also make the background more blurry or less blurry, and that will also make it look slightly better, right? But as I said, this only applies to the videos shot in the cinematic mode. If you captured a video through the regular mode, you can still find it inside of your gallery and try to do something about it, but it's going to be a bit more complicated because you can still click on the edit and, for example, click on adjust and find some things like the sharpness or a definition, which you can bump up and make sure that the video looks sharper, but it's going to be much more limited for those videos. So there are some things you can do, but still the best way would be to make sure the video gets captured in the full quality with a perfect focus. So yeah, that is the first step. So let me know if you managed to do anything about it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe if the video has worked for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.